So now we are in the Taxila and we are trying chapel kebab. So looks juicy and spicy. It's so hot, so yummy. Let's try. Oh, that's good. That's a very better, much better than any other place we saw. It's very amazing. Sad raita. Yeah, that is looking so nice. Waiting for naans and our naans are coming up. Please bring up naans and you can see that it is a very famous place. We are in the Taxila. This is the Taxila and it's come very near to very front road of Taxila Chow and it's come here. So I am waiting for the naan and our naans are coming. Let's try some another and that is good, that is nice, very nice. So finally our naan are here. Yeah, that's looking good. So let's try. That's good. Much better. I used to eat from different places, but this place and this place, Peshawari Kebab, are too good. They are too good, bro. So let's finish it quickly. So guys, I have just finished eating and now it's time to move. You can see there are so many food stalls around and some tikkas and bakeries and some jalebis and I don't want to try here samosas, pakoras, so many things here are. So you can see on the main road how congested city it is. So chingchi. Okay, let's get aside and move from here. And this is the main road and you can see the weather here. And this is the Taxila Chowk right there. And it's very busy city. Very busy. You can see. I am in the middle of road. So I am trying to. Okay, thankfully. And now let's get to the other side of the road. Yeah, so from this side, I think so. Oh, yes. You can see. So this was the vlog. I hope so you like it. If you liked it, what you have to do, you have to go subscribe our channel. Thank you.